Welcome to the 137th episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Saturation is the key for blissful life. We'll see some example. Florence Nightingale. She is well known as a lady with a lamp. She was a social reformer and inventor of nursing profession. She used to provide service to the people who were participating in the war, those who were injured in the war. In the night. So she is known as Lady with a Lamp. She is always searching for the people who were injured in the night. So she lived for almost 90 years and she died in the sleep. While she was sleeping, she died. Her soul departed while she was sleeping. Now this is the purest form of natural death. While the faculties were receiving the nourishment, while they are sleeping, the soul is saturated and enough is enough, and I am leaving the body. And she is almost close to 100 years. So she died when she was 90. So that's a clear sign of saturation, without bothering anybody, without going to the ICU, without having to go through a heart attack or on a ventilator. So her soul departed smooth fashion, as smooth as it has entered her body. And since she is close to 900 years, and the fact that she was the inventor of nursing profession, and she has provided service to so many injured personnel in the war, and she was being tagged as Lady of the Lamp. So many new tastes her soul has practiced and got saturated. So she is an example for this hypothesis that saturation is a key for blissful life. Let us move on. Next nama is Vidhatri, the earth element of Vardha Mudra. That is Vidhatri. Vidhatri means a nourisher of the Jagat. That is, Jagat already we had discussed. Jagat means residual effects of past events, glorification of past events. How is this nourishment provided? Through Viswadhika, the Universal Mother has assumed a form that is beyond the five elements. With this quality of Viswadhika, she identifies the imbalances in the five elements that are present in an individual, or the disproportions in the five elements in an individual, and passes this information to Vidhatri. What will happen if five elements are not in proportion in a human body? Excessive rasa is the extract, may be generated, or excessive sara. Sara is the root of the essence. Saturated. Sara is the root form of the root form of rasa, which is the essence. So excessive rasa may be generated, or excessive sara, or Nissara. Nissara is a dried form of essence. So all this can happen. So excessive sara or atisara is the saturated form of the essence, whereas nissara is the dried form of the essence. So the disproportionate five elements in a human body drives an individual towards these extremes of excessive rasa, that is also known as apsarasa, or excessive sara, that is atisara, or nissara. All these cases are dangerous. These are the root causes of occurrence for cancer. Root causes for addiction are also disproportionate five elements in a human body. So Vidatri restores the body vitality and maintains a pH balance. How does she do it? By providing a nourishment that is equivalent to gooseberry, amla. Vidatri restores the body vitality. Gooseberry or amla is known to restore the pH balance and can also cure the cancer. In Devi Purana, Dhatri Mata Samakhyata Dharanacho Chopagiyate. Next nama is Veda Janani, saturated form of Veda Vedya, transforming as Veda Janani. Through the nama Vidhatri, Universal Mother provided nourishment of a gooseberry, that is Amla. Through Veda Janani, she provides nourishment to Veda. Both these namas are tools to practice Shodasha Vidya, and both these namas are beyond the five elements. A gooseberry that is formed on the tree receives nourishment in a witness mode and eventually attains a state of beyond five elements. However, gooseberry has five elements within it. It is beyond that. It is believed that those who eat gooseberry in the morning, they will have a pH restoration in their body. Similarly, practicing of Veda in early morning also promotes good vibrations, positive vibrations, and neutral energy also in the universe. So what does Veda Janani mean? The presence of right proportion of five elements within the body and the application of Shodasa Vidya technique towards generating the acoustics. One of the seven divine mothers or Saptamatrika form, Brahmi, resides in Swadhisthana Chakra. The origin of acoustics from Brahmi or acoustics having Brahmi energy is Veda Janani. It was mentioned that Veda means it is just the pronunciation that is important in Veda. In Devi Purana, Yata Srungatakakara Kundalini Nyasamudgata Sarvascha Vyanja Naniti Vedamata Tatas Smruta. So with this, this today's episode is completed. That is Vidhatri Veda Janani. We will discuss the next remaining namas in the next episode. Thank you.